Today I'm going to be talking about 3 important ingredients for massive hair growth, fast growth, and thicker, longer hair. This mixture aids in those who have experienced balding, excessive shedding, alopecia, and other scalp conditions. For this treatment, you will need a mason jar or something with a lid, a spray bottle, and a strainer. I will be using dried hibiscus, whole cloves, but you can also use clove powder as a substitute, and moringa powder. For everything used in the video, I'll be sure to link every item in my description if you're interested. So I'll be using 1.5 tablespoons of moringa powder. It does not matter which brand you go for. This is just the one that I chose. Moringa is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair, including vitamins A, B, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and zinc. These nutrients work together to nourish your hair follicles, strengthen your hair strands, and improve the overall health of your hair. And about 1 tablespoon of cloves. Cloves also contains anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. With its various nutrients in clove, it helps to stimulate the hair follicles, ensuring better blood circulation, resulting in faster hair growth. And about 1/2 tablespoon of hibiscus flowers. This can be staining to the hair, so you don't need that much, but the leaves of this plant have been used for ages for healing properties. Using the leaves of this plant can aid in those who suffer from hair loss, premature graying, thinning, dandruff, frizz, dryness, breakage, or split ends. So once you have all your ingredients in the jar, I'm then going to heat up some water, and then I'm going to add the water into the jar, which is going to help infuse the ingredients and get all the benefits that we need. And with these ingredients, there are other ways that you can use it. You can use them as a leave-in, you can add them to your shampoo, you can use them as a rinse out, whatever you prefer. And also, if you'd like, you can let it ferment longer for up to like 12 hours. But for here, I'm just going to let it sit for about 1 to 2 hours. So after about 2 hours, this is what it looks like. As you can see, the color has darkened and it has infused, which is a good thing. Now what I'm going to do is go in with a strainer, and I'm going to strain the excess ingredients that we don't need. Sometimes these ingredients can be a little difficult getting them out of your hair, so make sure to use some type of strainer with tight holes or like a cheesecloth so that you just get the liquid portion of it. So after everything has been strained, this is what it looks like. I know it is not appealing to the eye, but that's not the focus. The main focus is the benefits of it. So now I'm just going to take a strainer and we're going to transfer that into a spray bottle for easier application. I also want to mention that this treatment only good for 5 days in the refrigerator. After 5 days, you want to discard of it and create a new one. After the 5th day, it will no longer be as potent and effective. So here, I just wanted to demonstrate on my daughter's hair, only because my hair is in a protective style right now, how you should apply this. In the video, I'm just going to show you guys how you can use it as a rinse out. So I'm just going to separate her hair. Been in a ponytail for a while. I will say that we are trying to repair her hair back to health due to heat damage and just allowing her to over her hair. You know, when they hit a certain age, they want to then become very independent, but here we are, and I am going to pour the love back into her hair as I did with myself, sectioning her hair off into 4 sections. It's always so much easier if you have thick hair to section your hair off. Even if you don't have thick hair, it's just much easier to work in smaller sections so you can see exactly what it is you're doing. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to start spraying, starting from her scalp, because of course our hair grows from the roots of our hair, so you want to really make sure to spray. And as I'm spraying, I'm just going to go in and massage her scalp and make sure that I have everything rubbed in. Her hair is not washed, but I'm just showing you an example. You do it on clean hair because you don't want to put it on top of product. You want to make sure you're getting the most out of this. So I'm pretty sure some of you may be curious as to how it smells. I know that I'm somebody who cannot even deal with things that are rancid, but honestly, the clove is really sweet. You know, if you like matcha or you smell matcha, it's gonna smell like that sweet syrupy smell. To answer your question, the smell is very much tolerable, and it's almost really nice actually. You can instantly see her hair looks super shiny. It's already looking like it's coming back to life. Her curls are super defined, and most of all, I know that this is going to help in repairing her hair. Like I said, she has damaged her hair in certain areas. She has lost some hair, so what this is going to do is help to strengthen her hair, thicken her hair. Consistency, we will see results, because I have used this and I've gotten nothing but great results. All of these ingredients are natural. Of course, you want to make sure If you're allergic to anything, you want to test it out before you put it on your scalp. Just to be cautious. Treatment can be used not only for a leave-in, but it can be used in your shampoo. It can be made as a hair mask. It can be used as an oil. Whatever you feel comfortable with doing, I say do it. It's really all about preference, but it's all about being consistent. And if you want your hair to grow, if that is your ultimate goal, then I highly recommend doing this at least 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how you're going to use the method. So if you wash your hair every 2 weeks, then incorporate this into your shampoo. If you're going to use this as a leave-in, then you can use it 2 to 3 times a week, as well as if you're going to oil your scalp, you can use it as an oil. It all depends on how you like to style your hair. You must be consistent in order to see results. Rome wasn't built in a day, and I know you may be in a state right now where you're feeling desperate because your hair is shedding, your hair is falling out, or whatever the case, but just know in due time with consistency, you will see results. So again, I just wanted to reiterate all of the good benefits that all 3 of these ingredients contain. They are to repair, stop hair loss, hair fall, helps to regrow, strengthen, shine, helps to define your curls, just maintain healthy hair overall. But I will say, sure that this is something that you're dedicated to. You cannot just do this once or twice and say, you know, it didn't work, and you cannot incorporate bad hair habits, if that makes sense. You're not going to get the results. Continuously condition your hair, continuously moisturize your hair, and feed your hair like it should, and add these methods into your hair as well. I guarantee you, you will see a difference in your hair. And another thing I'd like to add is whenever you're going through like a hair growth journey or any type of setback with your hair, document it and take pictures so you can see where you started and where you ended. That always makes the process more enjoyable. I say it all the time, but when we see things visually, it helps us to keep going and to keep pushing. So I'm just gonna really work it in through my daughter's hair and just make sure that everything is nice and coated. I really take my time with her hair, and I actually pray over her hair. And believe it or not, the tongue is very powerful. So as you're doing this, feel free to just talk to your hair, speak nice things into your hair, love your hair like you do other things, and just make it your business to be consistent with this. Write it down, set a schedule for yourself. I can totally understand how sometimes we forget or you miss a day and then it's hard to jump back on track. But as soon as you realize that you forgot, incorporate it into your routine. However you want to do it, depending on the state of your hair. If your hair is in a protective style, then I think you would benefit the most out of using an oil. If you like to wear your hair out and wash and go styles, I think a leave-in would be great. And if you don't really like the smell and it's not really something you can see yourself doing, then definitely incorporate it using a mask or with your shampoo. This is something that I do to my daughter's hair at least once a week, especially on the weekends. That's the time, you know, I can really take my time and do it. Hair is already looking super moisturized, because moisture is a really big thing as well. Not just doing treatments and saying, okay, well, this is gonna work. You have to make sure after you use this treatment that you do continuously moisturize your hair throughout those couple of days or throughout that week until you use this again. Your hair needs that moisture so that it doesn't break anymore, so that you don't lose any more hair. Pretty much it. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you use this, you leave me a comment, because I always like to know how it works for other people. I have faith that this will work over time. I have faith that with consistency, you should get the results that you're looking for, if not more. Just be prepared for thick hair. It's very thin or very fine. Whatever your situation may be, give this a try. I like to go the natural way. I feel like natural is always better than trying other things. To each his own. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys like these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up, because that always lets me know this is what you like. Leave me a comment and let me know how it's going for you so far after using this mixture. So usually after a few minutes of just massaging the treatment into her scalp, I then just follow up and put a plastic cap on her head. Yes, yeah, I'm using a shopping bag because we will put them to use, baby, okay? And then I'm just gonna let it sit in her hair for a few minutes, and then I will rinse it out. Simply Michelle.